And now we're back with our stalking time. So alamin natin ngayon no, kung ano ba yung ganap or nasa thoughts ng inyong person no, sa inyong mind. You can visualize the face of your person right now no, while I'm doing the talking and the shuffling. No? Pero pwede rin naman i-pause ninyo yung video na to para mas makapag-concentrate kayo guys. No? And isipin ninyo kung ano yung situations ninyo ngayon. No? Try to recall it. No? So, that's something here na pwede kayong kumonect no, sa ating energies. No? So, yun nga, alamin natin dito kung ano ang nasa thoughts ng person na to or kung may ginagawa ba siya dito something here related or connected with you guys or sa kung ano lang, no? Yung kanyang nasa isipan ngayon at baka posibleng mga ginagawa na rin. So, wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat welcome. Pwede rin pong i-switch yung mga roles if you want. And also, please do know na general reading din ito. At kung hindi nyo pa nalalaman, meron pa po tayong other channel. Ang link ay nandyan sa ating description box. Kaya kung interested or if interested kayo mga babes, so just click that link para ma-redirect na rin kayo sa ating other channel, no? Which is our main channel. Ayan, no? So, the High Priestess Tarot, ang name done. So let's go ahead and check these messages right here for you guys. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Can you please show me who is this person here connecting with my collective? Tell me about the situations and other messages na kailangan malaman ni collective. Can you please show me? What is the situation all about nitong person na to sa mind ni collective? Tell me about this person here. His or her whereabouts, his or her thoughts and feelings. Okay, got it. Oh, may naligaw dito mga babes na pero yan ay posibleng importanteng mensahe so kukunin natin yan. So we have here the Hierophant energy. So lumalabas no that this person right here is someone na posible na asawa na ng iba sa inyo or you could be wanting na maging asawa ito no. So nakikita ko rito that you are someone here no na talagang may pagmamahal ka with this person here. Okay, so let us see what else? Parang may pagpaplano na about your future together, okay? So we have here this family, pagpaplano rito, pagpapamilya, maybe may anak na kayo nitong person na to, no? Or maybe you are married already, pero yung iba pwedeng hindi pa, no? So nakikita ko na talagang nandoon na kayo sa punto ng life ninyo that you want to commit talaga with this person right here to have that family, no? Na talaga na mabuo yung pamilya ninyo ulit, no? Others, you could be waiting for this person here to come back to your life, no? Maybe this is one of your exes right here, no? So, marami ko nakikita rito mga plano, no? So, lumalabas rito na this person right here is someone you see your future with. We also have here this focus, eyes for you, fascinated, watching. So, this person right here, mga babes, no? Is that kung sino man tong energy na to, no, nakikita ko rito na siya yung klase ng individual, no, na posible rito na nagsustalk sa'yo, pwedeng sa social media right here, no, or kung sino man tong person na to mga babes, no. Possible na ito yung person na yung dati niyang pagtingin sa'yo, no, is pwedeng nanunumbalik, no, or ganun pa rin. So, nakita tayo ng energy rito na nagpo-focus siya, okay, in planning this. Pwedeng, if this is your ex right here, this person is planning to come back to fulfill ang inyo rito, no, na promises, no, or pwede rin naman na kayong dalawa ay hindi talaga separated. Baka malayo lang siya sa inyo ngayon, no, yung energy na baka yung iba nagkatampuhan kayo, nag-away, ganun, no? So, nakita ko na you're not really separated emotionally, energetically, and spiritually, no? So, we also have here this crickets. Yeah, see, look at that, no? Silence, non-action. So, nakikita ko dito mga babes na kung sino man tong energy na to, na possible na hindi kayo masyadong nag-uusap ngayon, no? Or hindi kayo nag-uusap talaga ngayon because yun yung na-feel natin or right off the bat na kung sino man tong energy na to na lumalabas, na meron siyang energy rito, no? Na wala talaga rito na parang back and forth na usapan, okay? Pero eto siya, iniisip niya kayo rito, ang inyong family kung meron, no? Or ang inyong mga kids, no? Buuhin ang inyong family, nakikita ko dito, no? Or bumalik sa'yo para magkaroon kayo rito ng bagong simula, no? At matuloy niyo yung pagpaplano ninyong dalawa sa future, no? Pero ngayon, wala, no? At nakikita rito action, no? Panay lang siya rito tingin sa inyo, no? And this green right here symbolizes, no? Na nagsistay siya rito, positive, no? Kahit na parang ang dami ritong mga sulsol sa paligid niyo. Nakikita natin dito. So, pwedeng mga babes, no? Hindi na siya nakikinig sa mga sinasabi ng iba. Wala na siyang pakialam doon. Sinisilensyo or pabor niya na ang kanyang tenga dito. Okay? So, posibleng may mga ibang mga nagsisilbing ingay na sinusubukang impluwensyahan ang kanyang isipan dito, no? Pero hindi na siya nagpapatangay at hindi na siya nakikinig, no? So, we have here these children, young childhood playful. Yeah, matagal mo na naka-in relationship yung tao na yan. You've been committed for this person here, no? For quite a long time, yung iba taon, yung iba dekada dito, no? So, nakita ko na yung iba pwedeng young love nyo siya, no? Or, baka bago kayo naging kayo, no? Kababata mo siya, kaklase mo ng elementary, whatever, no? So, nakita ko dito na nakilala mo siya nung bata-bata pa kayo, no? Or nagsimula ang inyong relationship, no? When you were young, no? Or kung hindi man ganun yung case, no, nakikita natin dito, no, na kung sino man tong energy na to, this person right here could be, really wanting to have this family here with you. Yan, no. Alam niya na gusto niya dito magsimula ng panibago ulit, no, na life with you. Kung wala man kayong mga anak dito, mga babes, no, this person here, naiisip niya rito, no, na pag nagkaroon na kayo ng anak, mas makakalimutan niyo na yung past and you're gonna move on with the future, no? So, nakikita ko that this person here is coming in very serious na talagang gusto niya talagang gawin ito, no? Kaya nakikita mo yung pagpaplano niya rito, ang dami, no? Nakikita mo ba tong drawing ng kamay dyan, no? So, that symbolizes yung ganyan, what? Peace sign, diba? So, gusto niya na ritong makipag-ayos at makipagbati talaga sa inyo. Sabi ko nga dito, parang may misunderstanding, no? Or you're in separation right now, nobody's talking, no, but you are both thinking about each other. So, kung may mga anak man kayo nito, no, this person right here, ganun din, no, gusto niya rito kalimutan, no, kung ano man yung naging problema rito, maging maayos dito. So, definitely, this person here, marami siyang plano dyan. Okay? Also have here the on the table. Yeah, look at that. Offer, proposal right here, commitment. See, told you guys. You could be married with this person right here, but with on the table, this person will definitely talk. This symbolizes communication and this symbolizes right here conversation. And what did I told you guys? So this person here is getting serious and serious. So definitely this is an adult talk, a serious talk, a serious conversation about you and him or her getting back together for the sake of your own family, for your children, yung mga anak ninyo, no? Or kung wala pa, no? This is a serious talk about you coming together, no? And to start all over again. Pero yun nga, syempre nasa sa inyo yan, mga babes, no? And we also have here this drama queen. Yeah, this person right here is definitely thirsty, no? So, this person here is someone, no, na nakikita ko dito na nagiging balakid, no. This is another energy right here. Drama queen, no, doesn't have to be na siya ay babae lang, no. This is just an energy. So, meron ditong person, no, na nagkakose rito ng posible na blockage sa inyong dalawa. Okay? Pero, so nakikita ko dyan, yung iba third party ang tawag diyan, no? Pero yung iba nakikita ko, yan yung mga taong solsol sa paligid niya, no? Puwedeng sige sabihin natin nagkaroon ng third party, pero nakikita ko rito parang wala na yun. wala na lang din kasi yun sa kanya, lumalabas, no? So, kung nandyan pa yung third party na someone else, no, wala na lang din kasi yun para sa kanya, kaya iba na yung nakikita ko dito, no? Ito ay more likely sulusol, mga tao sa paligid niya na ganun. Trying to influence siya rito. So, kuha pa tayo ng iba pang mga information. So, what is now this person's plan? Archangel Michael, can you please show me? What is this person's plan? If this is what's inside his or her thoughts, so kailan siya dito gagawa ng action? Okay. Oh, Eight of Wands energy, action. Speaking of actions right here, it's a communication wherein there's balance here. Trying to get out from that situation and have that victory here with you guys. Knight of Pentacles energy, Seven of Coins energy, Strength card right here in bottom of the deck, Four of Swords energy, High Priestess, and the Empress. Yeah, see, look at that. This person right here is now following his or her own intuition, his or her own heart. Yan yung nakikita natin dito. Lagay natin dito, mga loves. Eight of Wands is a strong symbol of travel. So this person right here will definitely travel, okay, to talk to you, communicate with you. Sit down, no, dito sa table at mag-usap kayo ng maayos at para magkaroon ng balanse sa inyong sitwasyon. Let's fix our marriage, let's fix our family, let's come back together. Ituloy na natin yung plano nating pagpapakasal. Ituloy natin yung plano natin na magkaroon tayo ng ating sariling family someday, no? Let's start all over again, no? No? I was once in prison, no? Parang sasabihin niya dito sa inyo, no? Minsan na siya rito nasa isang jail. He or she feels like nakakulong siya rito, no? Dun sa inyong separation, no? Dun sa misunderstanding, dun sa pag-aaway, dun sa hindi rito pagkakaunawaan, dito sa inyong possible na silence, no? Na period, no? Possible na rin na separation, no? So, lahat yan maririnig ninyo sa kanya, no? Now, he or she will do everything to win you back. Six of Wands energy. As you can see, this is the middle right here. So, definitely, this silence will be over. This person of yours, no, will definitely speak out, no? At gagawin niya dito yung lahat para ma-win back ang inyong heart and your trust once again. So, nakikita ko dito na this person here is aiming for victory alone at hindi niya rito gustong mag-failed. So, nakikita ko rito that this person here is full of sincerity and he or she do not want to get stuck anymore. Alam mo yung energy niya mga babes, so pakiramdam niya, no? Nakakulong siya, no, sa isang life na hindi naman pala ito talaga yung gusto ko. Hindi naman pala talaga ito yung life na gusto ko, no? My life is super maganda with my collective people, no? Or my life is really better with my collective people, no? So, I'm seeing that this person's intention and heart, yan, no, is full of sincerity. Very sincere ang kanyang energy. And this time, nakikita niya na mga babes, no? Yan, no, strength card energy na with the drama queen. He or she will admit na naapektuhan siya rito, no, sa mga taong nakapaligid sa kanya, that he or she had listened to them, no, instead of listening in his or her own uh, feedback in his or her own voice, no? So, hindi niya pinakinggan yung voice niya before, but now, this person here is gaining a lot of confidence. This person right here now owns that full power, no? So, nakikita ko na i-empower niya na rito, no, yung mga nasa paligid niya, no, hindi na sila nakikinig ng, "Wala akong pakialam sa inyo, hindi na ako makikinig sa inyo, stop talking nonsense about my woman, about my man," no, and ang tinutukoy niya dun ay kayo. So I'm seeing that this person here is now standing up here for you guys, and this person right here is removing all of these people, no, who caused chaos in your relationship, no, who brought this connection down, no, lahat yan ay natanggal niya na, ganon. So nahihanda ko dito na kung sino man tong energy na to, no, willing to talk right here. No, and for some reason, I'm picking up periods, no? So, posibleng yung iba, the earliest that I can see here is that after a week, no, nakikita ko na may mga gagalaw na dito, no? At yung iba, no, nakikita ko na possible na mga susunod na mga buwan gagawa na siya ng movement. Yan nakikita natin dito. So definitely this person here will travel to heal this connection with you guys, and I love it because this person here sees a no one, no, but you. Empress ang tingin niya rito sa inyo, no? No one above you ang uh, higit sa inyo, no? So this person is now listening to his or her own intuition. So prepare, this person here is coming back for you. So yeah, ito yung mga messages na kuha natin here for you guys. No? But if you're looking for some kind of initials, we have that here. Okay, just take how this resonates. Now for the initials, I'm seeing right here letter E. We also have here letter M. There's also letter F right here, and I'm also seeing letter W, and we also have here letter T. P. Okay, so yeah, ito yung mga mensahe right here for you guys. Again, I'm Yuriana on me, Sarang Hiyo, Love in Light, and